For a long time, enthusiasts were limited by standard bed sizes that required splitting models into several pieces, leading to tedious assembly and visible seams. Today, I will show you the best 3D printers with large build volume.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Creality Ender 5 Max 3D printer. The Creality Ender 5 Max emerges as a powerhouse for those who demand industrial-level stability within a desktop footprint, create larger models, or print multiple parts at the same time with the spacious 400mm cube build volume. This expanded printing area gives designers, makers, and businesses greater flexibility for oversized prototypes, production batches, and print farm applications without needing to split models into smaller sections. It's designed to improve efficiency for demanding 3D printing projects. The Ender 5 Max delivers high-speed performance to help you print more in less time. Its core XY motion system and high-torque motors are built for fast, precise printing, making it an excellent choice for creators, workshops, and print farms that require reliable, high-volume production. Combined with a fast-heating platform, the printer maintains accuracy even during rapid operation. On number 2, we have Elegoo Neptune 4 Max 3D printer. When the priority is a massive canvas combined with modern software efficiency, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max stands out as a formidable contender. The large 420 by 420 by 480mm build volume gives you plenty of space for printing oversized models or multiple smaller parts in a single job, helping improve productivity and workflow efficiency. For high-temperature materials or prints larger than 300 by 300mm, using bed clips is recommended to help keep the build plate stable during long print sessions. Advanced features such as input shaping, pressure advance, and dedicated XY axis acceleration sensors help minimize vibrations and improve print accuracy. This results in smoother surfaces, finer details, and more reliable high-speed printing performance. The self-developed direct drive extruder with a 5-point 2-to-1 gear reduction ratio delivers strong and consistent extrusion for smooth filament feeding. Its metal throat design and optimized cooling airflow help reduce the risk of nozzle clogs during extended printing. On number 3, we have Creality K1 Max 3D printer. The Creality K1 Max represents the cutting edge of the large volume category, blending high-speed performance with intelligent automation. The K1 Max features a large 11.8 1x11.8 1x11.8 1-inch build volume, giving you the flexibility to print bigger models or handle multiple production tasks more efficiently. It's also well-suited for creators and businesses looking to build a compact print farm setup. Equipped with a high-precision AI LiDAR system with 1 micrometer resolution, the printer scans the first layer before continuing the print job. If any issue is detected, the printer automatically pauses the process to help avoid failed prints and wasted material. The built-in AI camera can detect common printing issues such as spaghetti failures, debris, or foreign objects, while also supporting real-time remote monitoring and time-lapse video recording. For easier setup and more accurate printing, the K1 Max includes strain sensors in the heated bed that provide automatic leveling with minimal user involvement, helping ensure consistent first-layer performance. So these are some of the best printers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.